You are what you eat. We've all heard it. But here's why we should pay more attention. Whatever it is you put into your body can make a massive difference and change your life in ways you might not even imagine. In this video, I'm going to tell you about 2 foods you can eat that will have incredible benefits for you. Welcome friends, and thanks for watching my videos. Where are you watching this video from? Wherever you are, you're just a few minutes away from finding out a super helpful health secret that will change your life. That said, let's jump right into it. The hidden health benefits of eating dates and walnuts for a week. This sounds so simple, doesn't it? But the advantages you'll experience are nothing short of remarkable. Here's what I'm suggesting. Eat at least 2 and up to 7 dates per day, equaling around 3.5 ounces. And eat at least 3 ounces of walnuts per day. You might be wondering, why eat so many dates? What's so great about dates? Boy, where do we start? Dates are jam-packed with fiber and extremely healthy antioxidants. They clear your system with a remarkable degree of efficiency, cleansing the entire digestive tract and giving you a revitalizing burst of well-being. If you've been having trouble easing your bowels, or even if you haven't, look no further, because dates will take care of that for you. They are a healthy option for giving your gut the thorough cleanse it sorely deserves. These special fruits grow on date palm trees. You can buy them dry or fresh in the store. The color could be a kind of brown or golden, all the way to a darker purple or red. Wherever you're watching this from, your local store is likely to carry medjool or deglet noor type of dates, both of which are great choices. What's so great about dates? The reason dates are incredibly helpful nutrients is because they pack a full punch that includes potassium, magnesium, copper, manganese, calcium, and vitamin B6. Although most of the elements mentioned are required in smaller amounts, they are indispensable. We just can't do without them. They also have flavonoids, which get rid of a lot of troublesome inflammation and prevent cancer, Alzheimer's, and other degenerative illnesses. Then you get to carotenoids, which are absolutely everywhere in dates. Carotenoids help your eyes and help your heart stay healthy, so you can make sure you're at less risk of developing heart disease and heart attacks. Then we get to phenolic acid, which also lowers inflammation, helps your heart, prevents diabetes, and is an overall booster. And that's not even all the boost you get. Hopefully by now you're getting an idea of just how powerful dates are, because these are truly a wonder fruit. If you haven't heard of amyloid beta proteins, then you should. These are harmful proteins that build up in your brain like a layer of dirt and cause it to break down, harming your memory, causing anxiety, and leading to things like Alzheimer's. Dates break down amyloid betas and flush them out of your system, causing you to feel much calmer and have better brain function. So if you're going to reap the benefits of the date diet, start eating your dates daily. If you eat dates daily, you're going to experience amazing benefits. These include your body receives twice as many nutrients and experiences a much higher energy level, sense of emotional well-being, and mental clarity and focus. The nutrients mentioned before double up as amazing brain foods and improve your memory retention and mental clarity. They also bust down bad chemicals, like interleukin, that harm your brain, leading to the death of brain cells. Dates can even help with giving birth naturally, by helping to dilate the cervix while giving birth, reducing labor time and the agony associated with the process. Here's what I recommend to do with dates, which will make you consume them and enjoy them every day. I call it date coconut balls. Here are the instructions. Take 10 pitted dates, 10 walnuts, 5 tablespoons of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix these ingredients together in a bowl and then form them into small balls. Roll the balls in coconut flakes and then store them in the fridge to eat whenever you'd like. They're delicious. If you think it doesn't get better than this, then try adding walnuts to the mix. If you didn't notice, this recipe included the important mix of dates and walnuts. So what makes walnuts so great? When you begin eating walnuts daily along with dates, you get twice as many benefits. That's because walnuts are especially rich in proteins, calcium, and iron. This makes it really effective in stopping certain health problems. It would interest you to know that a 2019 study out of the University of Pennsylvania discovered that if you start eating more walnuts, your heart's overall health dramatically increases. That's great news! And you better believe it because none of this is random. The University of Pennsylvania's study is important for various reasons. It indicates just how real the benefits of eating walnuts every day are. And this also includes the way the study was done, by splitting people into 3 groups and checking the results. Group 1 ate 3 ounces of walnuts per day for 6 weeks. Group 2 ate an equivalent amount of alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid, every day for 6 weeks, and the third group ate a diet without any walnuts. Omega-3 helps cells form and grow properly, but its secret powers don't stop there. It also cleanses the blood and boosts circulation. It's very good for heart health and gets rid of blood clots, which is part of why the walnuts are so great for you. What was found at the end of the study was that those who ate the walnuts had much better gut health at the end of the 6 weeks, and were in much better shape in terms of their cardiovascular condition. This is good news if you have some kind of cardiovascular condition. Just in the same way that dates are full of amazing nutrients and antioxidant ingredients, walnuts are full of things that enhance your body's performance and sharpen mental acuity. This is why dates and walnuts are the perfect dynamic duo, boosting your brain and body in powerful ways that you have to experience to believe. We now know that the gut is deeply connected to our physiological and psychological well-being. This means it's hard to remain cheerful or solve complex problems with a cramped stomach. It also affects physical energy levels and vitality. So, by improving your gut health, walnuts boost your mental and physical health while also strengthening your heart. It's recommended to eat about 3 ounces of walnuts per day, and if combined with dates, you can mix them both together into a paste, put them into salads, or find many other creative ways to get the maximal benefits of this wonderful fruit and nut combo. The classic walnut-date combo is to simply cut open a date and put a walnut inside. This also works very well. Before doing this, you can wash the dates and walnuts with a combination of water, salt, and flour, and then scrub them in a bowl until the dates are clean. Then they are ready to dry and fill with walnuts. So one thing that can be guaranteed with the date and walnut diet is that you will have much more energy. In addition, you will find your mental clarity and calmness increase. If you stick to this diet for at least a week or 2, and optimally up to 6 weeks, you'll feel better in every area of your life. What is even better is that the benefits which you do not notice and see, which occur in your heart and your neurological health, will stand to your long-term benefit. Good luck in trying this diet. It shouldn't be hard, plus it's very tasty. Always remember that there are many creative ways you can eat these foods. Thanks for watching this video and sticking with me. It makes me so happy to know that Body Care Guru is able to help you live your best life and function at your maximum level. Here is another video recommended especially for you, which many people have liked, and I hope you will like it too. Take care.